ROKREZ Pro Industrial Floor Coating, the do-it-yourselfable floor coating solution for hardcore residential and commercial surface protection with style. In this video, you'll learn where you can put it, how you can put it on yourself, and by the end, you'll have a pretty good idea of how it will look on your own project when everything's all said and done. You'll need a drill, mixing blade, spiked shoes, gloves, safety glasses, drop cloth, 6-inch and 18-inch roller cover, brush and squeegee, in addition to the contents of your ROKREZ Pro package. For maximum strength and adhesion, apply only when air temperature is between 60 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit and relative humidity below 80%. Also, make sure to check and see if the floor temperature is at least 55 and 5 degrees above dew point to prevent condensation. Create a concrete surface profile of 3 or 4, equivalent to 80 or 100 grit sandpaper, using diamond grinding or shot blasting. Concrete and primed surfaces should be free of contaminants like dirt, dust, grease, and oil for the strongest possible bond. An epoxy primer like Cimarron Industrial 1000 HS is recommended for filling in bare, porous, or pitted concrete. After applying the primer, wait 14 to 18 hours and then apply the base coat. ROKREZ Pro comes packaged with everything you need in the proper proportions, so all you have to do is mix them together. Mix material if you're using 2 different batch numbers. Mix full units with a mechanical mixer for 3 minutes until the contents are well blended and evenly distributed. Immediately pour all of the coating in ribbons onto the surface and spread with a 3/16" notched EPDM squeegee, and then back roll in the opposite direction with a shed-resistant 18-inch roller with a 3/8" nap. If coating in sections, be sure to end at a natural break or control joint to help hide any color difference from the stopping point. Keep in mind, do not back roll into material that has begun to set or tack up. Use a synthetic bristle paintbrush to trim hard-to-reach areas. Total coverage should be somewhere around 100 and 160 square feet per gallon based on thickness. For spaces that see little foot traffic, or if you're just doing a recoat, wait anywhere between 14 and 18 hours before walking on it again. For floors that see normal traffic or support larger, heavier items, wait between 24 and 48 hours. For a full cure, capable of support for vehicle traffic, wait a minimum of 5 days. Removing material from your tools is an easy cleanup with acetone or xylene. Just follow the manufacturer's safety instructions. If material gets on your hands or skin, use a heavy-duty hand cleaner like Gojo. Allow excess product to fully cure before it's discarded. If you're throwing out your containers, check the federal, state, and local regulations in your area to make sure you're disposing of them safely. And just like that, you've got showroom quality floors with industry-leading durability, chemical abrasion, and impact resistance that can stand up to the pros. Protect and preserve with ROKREZ Pro Industrial Coating from Cimarron.